What's up, y'all? I'm Avian Azurin, and welcome to
Cancun, Mexico.
Cancun is one of Mexico's most popular and most visited resort areas. The popularity stems from its combination of nice beaches, turquoise blue sea, agreeable weather, and perhaps most important, excellent air and land connectivity.
I've been to Cancun, Mexico several times, but never been on a PWC. And today we're in luck. We're gonna be going to Isla Mujeres, which is only about 6 to 7 miles across from the area where we're staying, basically Cancun. But today, I got Karina. You know, she's descent from, where is your family from?
Mexico.
She is my translator every time we come to Mexico. So, you know, I don't know if y'all have seen her in some of the videos. She's the one that's in the back, usually not smiling or talking a lot of crap. But today, I'm gonna try to get her more involved with today's episode because, you know what? This is her, what? Her home country? Would you say home country? No.
No.
What would you say? This is her ancestry country. So, you know, we got to see more of Karina in these videos. What do y'all think? Go ahead and comment down below if y'all think she should be more in the videos and more involved in talking. What do you think? All right, so we've got to go ahead and pack up our stuff because we are staying at a different resort. So we're gonna just drop our stuff off at the bellhop, and then we're gonna go meet one of the dealers, Oscar, at the boat ramp. So you get all your stuff. Make sure you have everything. You don't want to leave anything. All right. Ooh, Karina, are you excited?
Not really.
She's excited. She's lying. For you guys that don't know, Isla Mujeres is a beautiful island. You can take a ferry, so even if you're not gonna be able to ride a PWC over there, all right, so we're here at the Marina. This is where we're going to be meeting one of the Sea-Doo dealers here in this area. Like I said, even if you can't get your own personal Sea-Doo here, they have been having a lot of Sea-Doo rentals in this area. We were sitting on the beach and all I kept on seeing was ski after ski passing by. It's really blown up in this area. Gotta make sure I put some SPF on. Okay, so if anybody wants a sponsor for some sunblock, I sure could use one. See, and that's why I wear long sleeves, but I can't wear pants all the time. I gotta protect the skin.
Fun fact about Cancun is the sand won't burn your feet. The 14 miles of shimmering white sands found in the stunning city are actually made of crushed coral, so it naturally feels cool underneath your bare feet, even when the weather is really hot.
Oh my gosh, guys, you got a special treat. We're on the 2024 RXTX 325. Oh yeah, I'm ready to rip this on the water. So we're on right now. We got Karina over there. Look at her. She's on the Fish Pro Trophy. And I'm on this bad boy. Dude, this is the first time I'm gonna be on the RXTX 325. And you guys know that I love the 300 model, especially the ST3 holes. So I'm ready to see what kind of power this baby has. Let's go over the plan while we're in the no-wake zone. The plan for today is to go to Isla Mujeres, which is, like I said, 6 to 7 miles from the area we're at. And there's so much beautiful water around that island. plus there's some reefs to do some snorkeling. So I brought my snorkel gear, of course, because you know, I'm like a little mermaid. I always have to be in the water and see what kind of fish they have down there. And we're gonna go check out the beaches and just take y'all all around. All right, let's go. Go. She's enjoying it. I always tell her, fear stops you from seeing the beauty, and she's always reluctant to ride by herself, even though she knows how. I've been showing her the ropes of riding for a long time. She's rode with me, watched me, everything. This girl has skills. She's just scared to use them. As we ride up to the island, let me tell you the myth of Isla Mujeres. Legend paints a picture of an island inhabited solely by the priestess of Ixchel and her entourage of women. Scattered around were statues of Ixchel crafted in gold, silver, and clay, leading to the christening of the island as Islas Mujeres, which means the island of women. Alright, so we're here on the tip of Islas Mujeres, and I'll show it to you on the map. And let me tell you, this water is even prettier than it was over there. It just keeps on getting better and better. Look at it. Look how clear this water is. Show them how clear this water is. So, like I was saying, if you ever want to come to Cancun, you know, try to take a day or two coming off the mainland and take a ferry or go on a PWC tour. And hopefully, Uncharted Society will be here soon. I mean, you know what, I'm gonna see them soon at the boat shows, and I'm gonna try to mention it to them that they have to have a tour out here because, man, this is a great site. Right over here, and they do a lot of snorkeling. Playa Norte is the most popular beach on the island. It's known for its soft white sand and calm turquoise waters, which makes it perfect for snorkeling off the beach, and there's a reef nearby, so you're guaranteed to see plenty of fish. Located on the south part of Islas Mujeres, there is an underwater museum of contemporary art consisting of over 500 life-size sculptures, making it one of the largest and most incredible underwater artificial art attractions in the world. If you want a closer look, you can hop on a glass-bottom boat excursion or dive a little deeper and snorkel or scuba through the museum. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to visit this site, but I have it on the list for next time. Islas Mujeres, it's been a pleasure. I'm sure I'll see her again. But now we're off back to Cancun. We're gonna just take a little skip and a jump over there and see what kind of water they have on the coastline over there. And this is what I really love about riding PWCs, is the exploration. While exploring, I found the Nechepti mangroves. These beautiful mangroves are very important to the ecosystem for ecology and society. They retain sediments, wastes, and toxic substances that flow into the sea. Due to the environmental conditions that mangroves possess,
They allow species such as crustaceans, fish, mollusks, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and other mammals to inhabit them. And near our boat ramp, there was a sunken boat, which is pretty cool to look at. And I'm sure they're gonna be coming to pick that up soon because they really do take care of the mangroves. But I wasn't done yet. I had to get one last rip in before I put it on the trailer.
Shout out to Oscar. You live in the Mexico area or Cancun area and you are looking for a Sea-Doo or just a Can-Am. This guy right here. What's the name of the dealership?
CAMPION.
CAMPION.
Mexico, at Cancun.
Information will be down below in the video description. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap for Cancun, Mexico and Isla Mujeres. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Karina, did you like it?
Oh, I loved it. It was so much fun.
I'm telling you, you're gonna see more and more of her. Well, I'm gonna try to get you guys to see more and more of her. But until next time,
See you guys on the water.